We have another guess, St. Thomas. To one who has faith, no explanation is necessary. To one without faith, no explanation is possible. I absolutely love that quote. One of my favorite quotes. Thank you so much, St. Thomas. Can you say it one more time? To one who has faith, no explanation needed. To one without faith, no explanation is possible. This fits in so many things. If my friend upsets me and they say sorry, that's the end of it. It's all good. They don't need to explain themselves. If I don't like someone upsets me, I need an explanation. Why are you the way you are? Why are you treating me this way? This fits in everything. And also the faith in people. To one who has faith, no explanation is necessary. Meaning, Mark Zuckerberg, hey guys, I'm gonna start Facebook. The people who had faith in him and said, you know what? Yeah, let's go for it. After he said, hey, let's do X, Y, Z, ABC, he didn't have to explain himself. People were just like, okay, let's go. I'm down with it. You don't even need to explain it. And then the ones that don't understand Facebook, they're like, why would I invest blah, blah, blah money into it? Or why would we want to take the company in this direction? Because they don't have faith in the direction of, in this example, Mark Zuckerberg as a leader in the regards of Facebook. So you can look at anyone who's successful at anything. And they had a team of people at the very beginning, and it's usually a small team, that just had full belief in whatever that subject was. And then you had your other people who were the people who were also very aware of whatever that was trying to go on. They had no faith in that. They're like, I don't want to be a part of that because I don't think it's going to work out, or I don't think it's going to be to the point where I'll be able to really prosper with it, whatever that situation is. That's why it's so important, guys, when it comes to visualize yourself to wealth, that you absolutely have to have that full faith in everything that we're doing and everyone that's helping us do what we do.